I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this amazing backpack from BANGE. I cannot say enough good things about this backpack. It has traveled all over the world with us. I love how it opens up as a suitcase. That is my absolute favorite feature. We were able to pack in this backpack for a 3-week trip to Europe. So it has plenty of space to put just the amount of clothes that you need for your international trip. And I love the mesh zip on top of the suitcase area. That really helps protect your clothes and keep everything looking neat and nice. It also has great organization. There's so many zip pockets. The front pocket especially is very spacious. You can put a lot of different things, all of your travel accessories. If you want to add a couple pairs of shoes, or you want to put your toiletries, or a little bit of both, that all fits really well. It also has a great laptop compartment for your electronics in the back, and of course a secret compartment where you can store your passport, your phone, whatever you need to keep safe for your travels. So I love this backpack. I think it's been amazing for me and for my husband. He uses it as well, and we love it, and we hope you do too. And that's my point of view.